now I bring you guys to find food at this field. Yeah, so now let's go with me. Oh, wow, cần tiếp tục egg. Wow. This is it age, and also this is insert that we call continue to. This insert we call continue to, and then we can eat. So now find it more, and then I'm going to tell you about the food of it too. We find more. Oh, it ate. Oh. I think it's enough for my food today, so go home with me to cook it. We clean it first, then we take it to cook. First we burn it like this. Burn it with fire. After we burn it, so now we clean it again. First we add dry chili. And then our insert continue to. Salt, SMG, sugar, And then our croissant fruit, we add it to be sour. Then we heat it. Then we add our basil to be more delicious. Now we also have vegetable too. We have cucumber, cabbage, and also carrot. We will eat our vegetable with our food. Wow, it looks like so cute. Now it's the time to eat. I'm going to eat and tell you guys about it taste. Let's eat with me. It looks like so yummy. I cannot wait. Eat with me. The best thing. It really spicy because of chili, but it is yummy. This is the real rules of living like street food. I got it from the field. Like in the start of video you can see. Wow. The best. It's really yummy and yummy. It's really spicy because of it full of chili. So now I think I enough of my eating. And I think it is time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about the amazing fruit like this. And also to show you about the countryside lifestyle too. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you.